How to budget for beginners. If you have been ignoring your money because you're overwhelmed, you feel like budgeting is too hard, it's too time consuming, you don't want to deal with it, you need to watch this video. Here on my channel, we create zero-based budgets, meaning that every single dollar that you bring in gets a job towards one of your goals. There are three main elements of your budget. You have fixed expenses, these are your bills. You have variable expenses, these are your other spending categories. And then you have your leftover down here, your sinking funds, these are longer-term savings accounts. This is a monthly overview plan that we are creating, which gives you an idea for your month, and it gives you a solid plan that you can then work throughout your month to hit your goals. So your fixed expenses, like I said, are your bills with due dates. These are some examples here. Debt payments do go here as well. Subscriptions go here. If it has a due date, it goes here. For utilities that can vary in amount, then you use a high average or a high bill so that you are budgeting based on a high amount, and then you need to total it up down here. Your variable expenses are your monthly spending categories, and this is putting a limit so that you will not overspend on things. If you're a beginner, the most three common are grocery, gas, and fun money. You need to give yourself these three, especially fun money. You total those up and you put them here. Understanding your spending habits is very important for setting up variable expenses. Once you get those two totals, you need to add those up and you need to put them up here as your total expense amount. You are then going to subtract your total expense amount from your monthly income, and that's after tax, and that's going to give you your leftover, and you put that right here. We use your leftover to make sinking funds. Sinking funds are money that you put to the side either for future expenses that you know are coming or for longer term savings goals. The most important sinking fund is your emergency fund. You need to at least have $1,000 to $2,000 in there. You can fully fund your emergency fund later, but for now, that's your starter, and that is going to get you through while you focus on other goals like debt. And then you can also have other sinking funds like vacation, car repairs, wedding, anything that's coming up in the future. The only rule is to make sure you have zero left over when it's all said and done, because this is a zero-based budget. And then boom, you've made your first monthly overview plan. The next steps would be to plan this all out on a calendar, bills versus paychecks, and then when you're paid, you create a paycheck budget. If you want to learn how to do this, I have a completely free training in my bio called Budgeting 101. Go sign up. It's pre-recorded, so you can watch it whenever, you can fast forward it, you can pause it, you can do whatever you need to do. I hope this information helps you, and I hope you understand that you are in control of your financial situation. Budgeting is going to get you where you need to be, and it's going to help you hit your goals. So don't think that it's too hard, because it's not. The key is to create a budget that you can fit into your lifestyle and that you can stick to. This is why we do things like give ourselves fun money, and I teach you more in the training if you want to learn about it. Stay focused, stay consistent this year, and you are going to be in a new place at the end of the year. I hope to see you in the training. You got this, friend.